Hey guys, it's me, Rapi Samstil, and today we're unboxing the brand new Canon PowerShot V1. Canon finally joins the compact vlogging camera war, and it looks like it's coming straight for the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. Let's open it up and talk the specs. Inside the box, we got the Canon V1 itself, a rechargeable battery, USB-C cable, wrist strap, and manual. Simple and creator focus. Here's what makes this camera stand out. Its 1.4-inch CMOS sensor with 22.3 megapixel, a built-in 16 to 50mm f2.8 to 4.5 zoom lens, perfect for wide and close shots. Dual pixel CMOS AF2, Canon's best autofocus system. It shoots 4K at 60 frames and Full HD at 120 frames per second for slow motion. You get the Canon Log 3 for pro-level color grading. Plus, it has optical image stabilization, built-in ND filter, and fully articulated screen. Oh, and yes, with a mic input, headphone jack, USB-C, and HDMI. All that in camera that weighs just for 426 grams. So, how's that stack up with the Sony ZV-1 Mark II? Let's break it down. Sensor size, Canon wins. Here's with the larger 1.4-inch sensor versus 1-inch sensor. Lens both at 1650, but the Canon gives you f2.8 at the wide end. For the video, Canons offer 4K 60p and Full HD 120. Sony maxes up to 4K 30p. For the audio, both have mic jack, but Canon added headphone jack for monitoring. For stabilization, Canon has optical digital IS combo. For color option, Canon brings Log 3 for creators who grade their footage. First impressions, the Canon V1 might just be the compact camera vloggers have been waiting for. It's powerful, lightweight, and packed with the features creators love. Which one would you choose? The Canon V1 or Sony ZV-1 Mark II? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gear reviews. If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are a content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hands AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.